You have a dream, you have a goal. You're working hard to achieve it, yet you are unable to accomplish it. What is a missing link? Missing link is the assessment and coaching. Individual personalized assessment can be a valuable tool for improving your performance and make necessary adjustments to achieve your career goals. Why is assessment and coaching important? Let's look at it in two parts. Part A, assessment. Identifying your strengths and weaknesses. By undergoing individual assessment, you can gain a clear understanding of your skills, abilities, and areas where you need to improve. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses can help you focus your efforts on developing your skills in areas where you may be lacking. Part B, coaching. There are several ways where coaching feedback can be helpful. First one, objectivity. This provides individuals with objective feedback that is based on data and observations. This feedback is free from biases and assumptions that can hinder performance. 2. Self-awareness. Coaching feedback helps individuals become more self-aware by highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. This self-awareness enables individuals to make informed decisions about how to improve their skills and achieve their goals. 3. Motivation. Coaching can be motivating because it provides individuals with a clear picture of their progress towards their goals. Positive feedback can also be a powerful motivator that inspires individuals to continue to work towards their goals. 4. Skill development. Through coaching, individuals develop their skills by identifying areas where improvement is needed. This feedback can be used to create targeted development plans that help individuals build their competencies they need to be successful. 5. Confidence building. Individuals build confidence in their abilities by highlighting their strengths and achievements. This confidence can be a powerful motivator that helps individuals tackle new challenges and achieve even greater success. What kind of assessments do we have under IRP? We will work with you on assessing your English fluency, your resume, how you are handling common interview questions, how you are handling stress interview questions, and ultimately your confidence level. A one-on-one discussion with our expert coach and mentors that would encourage self-reflection and thus self-rectification. This will be specific, actionable, and delivered in a supportive and respectful way. That is why assessment and coaching are essential components of professional development. Build your employability quotient and ace the interview to kickstart your career.